الاول بنتكلم عن جريد 6. اوكي انتوا عارفين ان جريد 6 دي تشيك بوينت. يعني ايه تشيك بوينت؟ يعني امتحاننا مش بيبقى في من كامبريدج. اوكي بيجي من كامبريدج وبعدين بيبقى 2 papers زي ما عملتوا training قبل كده for your schools. اوكي بيبقى paper 1 paper 2 بتبقى each paper from 50. اوكي والتوتال 100 بس لما الريزلتس بتطلع from results لما بتطلع from 6. اوكي it has a specific calculations كده. I can just tell you later on about these calculations how they calculate it عشان نجيب ال 60. إن شاء الله بإذن الله في grade 6 it's very or super easy to get 6. okay especially في science بجد أنا كل ال students بتوعي بيجيبوا 6 really. فبس إحنا بنعرف إيه الحاجات التريكي questions دي بنأنسر إزاي كل الحاجات دي بنعرفها بس أهم حاجة بنفهم كل حاجة in details. okay grade 6 mainly حاجات خدتوها قبل كده. هو أول topics بس اللي هو بتاعت ال body systems هي اللي بتبقى for a new chapter أو a new module أو new topics. بس كل اللي فات بيبقى اتاخد قبل كده يعني في small details you can add it. بس طول ما احنا بناخد topic بنحل عليه okay from the past papers or questions to participate. وبعدين المفروض بالاخر بنحل exams على بعضها عشان نعرف التايمينج ان التايمينج ده مهم جدا ان في ناس بتسرح في الحل اوكي ما بتاخدش بالها من التايمينج فلازم بنعمل تايمينج عشان خاطر نخلص بسرعه جدا. بس اوكي ده المفروض grade 6 يبقى كده mainly answering practicing a lot and getting more information or بس you have to focus on everything how the way of answering short answers it have to be مفيش long answer ولا كتير. اوكي لو جاب لي ده انا هقول له ايه لو جاب لي ده هقول له ايه مش كده. اوكي بس احنا مش هنحفظ هنفهمها جدا. اوكي بس ال way of answering فيها شويه tricks كده. اوكي عشان نجيب كلنا 6 ان شاء الله. First of all let's start with the topic. اوكي اللي هو اول topic خالص هنبدا بيه النهارده. اوكي اللي هو ال introductions ال first topic for the grade 6 هو mainly ال Mrs. Grant او اللي هم 7 life process. سمعتوا عنها قبل كده؟ Hello, you can write in the chat if you don't want to talk. Did you hear before about the 7 life process? صح؟ اللي هي Mrs. Grant. Yes, fine. Okay. ده أنا مش هبدأ فيه لأن عارفة انتوا خدتوه قبل كده. Okay هبدأ فيه بس next session. Today gonna start with something a new one. Just wait, I'm gonna share the screen. The next lesson, okay, body systems. You know that we have more than one body system. I'm gonna explain it more later, not today. Okay, what I'm gonna want to explain now is the level of organization. يعني ايه level of organization؟ يعني now I'm an organism, I'm a human organism. How to be a human organism؟ ازاي بقيت human organism كده؟ عايز اسألكم على اي حاجة في الدنيا. اوكي تبدأ بحاجة صغيرة بعدين بتكبر وبعدين بتبقى حاجة تتشاف. اوكي يعني for example البيت اللي انتوا بتبقوا عايشين فيه ده هل هو مرة واحدة بيبقى بيت ولا بيبقى بلوكس والبلوكس تحط على بعضها بتبقى وول والوال بتعملوا joining مع بعض بتبقى روم والرومز بتبقى فلات او بتبقى apartment والapartments تبقى فلات والفلات بيبقى building and so on والbuildings تبقى city. صح؟ صح؟ Yes. Yes or no? So we start from yes, ya Muhammad. And what about the rest? Why you're not? Yes, great. Okay. So you don't find our houses, our buildings, مرة واحدة buildings. لا, from blocks, walls, rooms, flat, apartment, building and the buildings doing cities and so on. اوكي طيب احنا جسمنا برضو معمول من كده. yes في a very small building unit. اوكي اسمها cell. what we call it cell. we call it cell. what we call it cell. C-E-L-L. okay طيب the cell just formed the human body. cell denotes the smallest building unit. لا they join together زي ما البلوكس تعمل joining together او the bricks join together to make the wall. برضه السيلز دي بتقف جنب بعضها كذا واحدة okay to make a tissue. something called tissue. you're gonna know it now. tissue. okay it's not a tissue. no it's just a tissue. it's called tissues. طيب لما group of tissues برضه فوق بعضهم بيعملوا organ. طب الاورجنز دي احنا سمعنا كلمة الاورجنز دي قبل كده. يعني ايه organ؟ يعني heart، يعني lungs، يعني stomach، يعني brain، يعني what else? just you can't tell me any other organs we have in our body. any organs أي حاجة جسمنا. lungs yes. what else? just tell me any organs. stomach, brain, ears, eyes. okay what else? nose. do we have any other organs? kidney. you know the kidney that we have it. liver. ها حد يعرف اي تاني organs؟ small and large intestine صح؟ mouth بس yes excellent يوسف. liver برافو. ها just give me more examples. skin. fine okay. طيب great. what about the rest? okay anyway so these organs okay for example I'm gonna talk about the skeletal system because you took it before at grade 4. do our skeletal system okay just made only our skeletal system okay Mohammed made only from skull, made only from the backbone, make only from the arms bones, or make of different organs? do our digestive system or the system that we eat with it, I don't know that you a little bit know its detail about it or not, just formed of stomach. عندنا stomach في كل حتة? no right. so we have a different organs okay فلما different organs دوت مع بعض بيعملوا system زي الskeletal system. انتوا كلكم خدتوا الskeletal system في grade 4 right? anyone reply? right? yes okay the system. طيب احنا جسمنا معمول من system واحد بس؟ يعني احنا جسمنا ما فيهوش غير skeletal system بس؟ لا احنا عندنا systems ثانيه اوكي زي ايه السيستمز اللي عندنا؟ you can just take a quick look on them now. هقول لكم بس quick كده look عليهم دلوقتي وبعد كده هندرسهم in details every system. عندنا digestive system which is responsible for eating and digesting the food يعني breaking down the food okay ده digestive system. nervous system اللي هو controlling عن السensation بنحس ازاي ان ده سخن وده ساقع بنشوف بيه related لل 5 senses okay ده major organ بتاع البرين okay ده skeletal system which you took it before. عندنا ايه تاني؟ excretory system ده الكدنيز. excretory system ده get rid of waste. الويست زي ايه؟ زي اليورين اللي هو اليورين you know the urine that we do it in the toilet. طيب ده respiratory system. ايه respiratory system؟ اللي هو lungs اللي هن that we breathe with it okay. circulatory system. ايه circulatory system ده اللي فيه الهارت اوكي. وايه الهارت بيعمل ايه؟ لا ده مهم جدا اوكي. so we have it at the sea different systems. كل system فيه more than one organ ما فيهوش one organ بس اوكي تمام. يبقى احنا جسمنا معمول من كذا system اوكي تمام not just only one system اوكي، وكل سيستم معمول من different organs. That's a clear example for the digestive system. في stomach، في liver، في small intestine، في large intestine، وفي حاجة طويلة كده عصاية هنا المفروض اسمها esophagus. اوكي، clear till now؟ هوريكم فيديو علشان خاطر نشوف يعني let it make it more easier أو clear، ونرجع تاني نعمل discussion على البارت ده. Don't worry, it's very easy. بس you have to understand it. يعني شوية كده هو very easy. بس what you have to know in everything just have a smallest part then a bigger. طيب أنا بس أوريكم الأول how we can say it. First of all, we said that the smallest building unit of our body is called cell. ده cell. بعدين cells بتعمل joining مع بعض، بتعمل حاجة اسمها tissue. tissues joining together تبقى كذا واحدة مع بعضها بيعملوا organ. الorgans joining together كذا organ بيعملوا system. الsystems بقى كذا system زي اللي أنا وريته لكم فوق، circulatory, digestive, respiratory and so on. دول بيعملوا joining مع بعض. اوكي، كذا system to make what an organism. ايه الاورجانيزم اللي هو كائن حي ده؟ لازم يكون human؟ لا مش لازم، ممكن يكون cat, dog, اي frog. اوكي، فمش لازم نقول human، لا we just say an organism. okay, so again for the last time, group of cells form what? Tissue, and group of tissues form organ, and a group of organ form system. طب I'm gonna ask you a question before to watch the video وهنعرف الانسر بتاعته من الفيديو. احنا عندنا الهارت، وعندنا small intestine اللي هو موجوده في الدايجستيف سيستم، او عندنا stomach. اوكي، خلينا حاجه معروفه. عندنا lungs، عندنا السكال. كل دي organs. هل كلهم معمولين زي بعض؟ هل كلهم the same معموله من same cells same البيلدينج يونت بتاعتهم زي بعضها كلها؟ الهارت اللي معمول كده فلافي او بيعمل ليه فانكشن معينه زي الستومك زي السكال، كلهم زي بعض؟ تفتكروا كلهم زي بعض؟ زي بتاعت البرين بتاعت النيرفز كلهم زي بعض؟ تفتكروا؟ فكروا كده. اوكي and guess predict guessing what will be the answer. Let's see it with the video وهنرجع واحنا بالفيديو هنتكلم مع بعض برضو to check your answers. Yeah, I don't think so. Yes, yeah, Yusuf. No. Okay, let's check back together. Okay, it's no or yes. Wait. Now all of you can see it. Is it clear for all of you? Level of organization. كلكم شايفينها تمام؟ Okay, let's check it بقى. يلا. Level of organization يعني الترتيب بتاعهم بيبدأ من ايه لايه. Organization اللي هي organisms اللي هي بتعمل organisms اللي هو احنا. Okay, او cat or dog I mean a living organism.
When building a city, you start with bricks. Many bricks joined together makes a wall. Walls working together make a building, and many buildings complete the city.
The same example as I said to you. Bricks, walls, city, buildings and city. Okay, the same. Okay.
The human body is put together in a similar way. Humans start with cells. Many cells join together, make tissue. Tissue working together make an organ. And many organs make an organ system. Cells are the smallest living part of an organism.
Cells is the smallest building part of their organism. Okay, دي building parts that organism. زي ما انتوا شفتوا كده ان السيلز اهي. Okay, yes, anyone want to ask? Okay, cells, okay, as you see ان هما بيبقوا one بعدين بيبقوا group. الجروب ده بيبقى اسمه tissue. tissues تبقى اكتر. Okay, بيعملوا group tissues تانية join together to form the organ. كذا organ مع بعض join together to form the system. Okay.
Some examples of cells in the human body are brain cells, lung cells, and bone cells.
كلهم the same shape? Do you have the same structure? Just answer. They are the same. بس من شكلهم كده. They are the same. No, no, no. Every one of them just do a different function. The lungs, we breathe with it. The brain, we think with it, and you have to memorizing, with control our organism and how to work. The bone cell, it has to be hard. Okay, they have a different structure because everyone has a definite function or a specific function. يعني function محددة. كل واحد فيهم عنده وظيفة أو job he can do it. Okay, فلازم يكونوا different structure. مختلفين عن بعض. Okay.
When cells of similar structure and function join together, they form tissue. A group of brain cells
شايفين؟
is called
ده كانت one cell بقت دلوقتي tissues. ليه tissues؟ معنى كده tissue sorry. معنى كده ليه؟ لأن هي more than one cell. هنا بقت more than one cell. هنا بقت more than one cell. The bones, the lungs, and this is the brain cells or nervous cells.
called brain tissue. A group of lung cells is called lung tissue. And bone cells joined together is called bone tissue. When a group of tissues that perform a specific function join together, they form organs. Brain tissue comes together to make your brain.
And lungs tissues come together, كذا tissues, to form the lung. And bone tissues come together to form a skull.
Your brain is an organ. Lung tissue comes together to make your lungs. And bone tissue comes together to make individual bones.
As a skull, for example.
An organ system is a collection of organs working together to
collection of organs, okay, to perform a specific function. في سؤال عايز اساله دلوقتي. احنا قلنا group of cells to join together to form tissue. معنى كده ان group of cells do the same or different. يعني لو انا اتكلمت على group of cells of the brain, they are the same or different. Yes, come on.
The
say.
same.
Same, bravo. والgroup of cells of the lungs, they are the same to form a same group of tissue. والgroup of cells of the bones, they are the same to form the same tissues. يعني cells والtissue are the same. تمام. form an organs. تاني هكرر الكويستشن تاني. هل كل السكeleton بتاعنا موجود فيه skull بس؟ كل السكeleton system بتاعنا فيه skull بس؟
No.
No, we have a different organs. يبقى احنا عندنا the same cells form the same tissues, with the same tissues form an organ, with different organs هي اللي بتعمل forming the system. لأن السيستم بتاعنا ما بتعملش من one organ. مش هيبقى skull بس أو lungs بس أو brain بس. اوكي؟ فاهمين البوينت دي؟ حد مش فاهمها؟ إن احنا بعد السيستم بتاعنا في different organs system زي skeletal system كده. اوكي؟ يعني على بعضه. Hello dear. Anyone just can reply? تمام. Okay, do anyone have any problem about the system? في حد mix up with anything? حاجة not clear till now?
No.
Okay, great. Let's كمل بقى organ system.
Form jobs. Your brain is a part of the nervous system.
Just a part.
Your brain, spinal cord, and nerves work together to collect and process
So they have a different organs.
information. Your lungs are a part of the respiratory system. Along with the diaphragm and others, they help you breathe.
Okay.
All of the bones in your body are a part of the skeletal system. Bones, cartilage, ligaments,
All
and
of this you took it in
tendons
grade 4.
give your body structure and support. So from smallest to largest, your body is made up of
ها مين ممكن يقول لي ده اسمه ايه؟ Who just can tell me?
Cell.
Cell, excellent. بعدين تعمل ايه؟ Group of?
Tissue.
برافو برافو. Then the tissue form an
Organ.
برافو. And the organs, group of organs form
System. System.
super. Mohammed or Nabil? لا انت اسمك ايه؟ You the one who answering the blue t-shirt. Your name is what?
Muhammad.
Mohammed. Super يا محمد. Okay. Excellent. So now anyone just don't get it now until now about it? But
No.
systems? Okay.
cells, is made up of cells, tissue, organs, and then organ systems. These are the levels of organization.
Fine. Okay. So now you understand it, but the video just help you more, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. Okay. Let's be back. Okay. So that's what I want to mention today about the level of organization. You have to know it. I need first to revise about the Mrs. Grant before we start, and then I'm gonna talk the digestive system if you haven't time. Okay. مين عارف اللي هي 7 life process؟ انتوا خدتوها قبل كده المفروض right؟
Yes. It starts from the baby till the adult.
ايه ده؟ ايه ده from the baby to the adult؟
Nutrition, movement, respiration.
Excellent, Yusuf. Come on. Nutrition, movement, respiration. What else? Growth. Yes.
Excretion.
Excellent. Reproduction.
Reproduction, yes.
Nutrition. Nutrition, right?
Sensitivity.
Sensitivity, excellent. Okay. Mohammed and Nabil, do you know them? Do you know the 7 life process?
No.
No. Okay. The 7 life process, they are what are the living things can do. Okay. Who are the living things?
Like
Who are
animals,
the living? Yes. Animals and what?
humans,
ماشي. وحاجة تانية. Living.
plants.
Yes, plants, excellent. Animals and plants, okay? They are the living things, super. Okay, so the living things like the animals and the plant have to do a 7 life process. 7 life process. These 7 life process are very important. That means they are living things, okay? Hello, don't write. If you just complete with me, I'm gonna send it with you everything. Don't write. مفيش حاجة هقولها مش مكتوبة. Don't write. بس concentrate وما تكتبش حاجة. Great. Okay. طيب. Now 7 life process دي عشان هما 7 words وممكن يلخبطوا الناس فهم اختصروها في حاجة اسمها called Mrs. Grant. ايه Mrs. Grant دي؟ هما بياخدوا the first letter from each of the 7 life process. Mrs. Grant, M-R-S-G-R-E-N. M represent movement, R respiration, S sensitivity, G gross, E reproduction, E excretion, N nutrition. ال R D M reproduction M respiration R D R okay. Mrs. Grant. Okay. طيب. Last Yusuf, you said all of them, right? طيب أنا مثلا هتكلم about the movement for first of all. Yusuf, you can tell me how the plants and animals move and why they move أو أي حاجة related للmovement. أنت عارف يا يوسف إن ده for the living things in the 7 life process just for the living things, right? Yeah, characteristics for the living things.
They move towards the sun so that they can get their food and stuff.
And no need to, just like the sunflower, you mean?
Yes, kind
Yes,
of like.
okay, but some is getting their food because the part that makes food the leaves. Okay, for already leaves. No need to turn to the sun. لكن الsun زي sunflower صح turn the sun. في حاجة تانية in the flowers close and open, right? Right, يا محمد النبيل?
Yes.
Yes, so they can move. Okay, and what about the animals? The animal they can move just finding their food, finding their shelter يعني المكان اللي بيعيشوا فيه. Just hunting animals ويتحركوا عشان يعملوا أي حاجة. Okay. لغاية دلوقتي am I clear؟ واضح اللي أنا بقوله؟ طيب ده أول حاجة movement. تاني حاجة ها who want to talk؟ Yes.
هم ماسكين الساينس والكيمستري.
Hello. حضرتك عايزة حاجة؟ Anyway, okay. Reproduction. You can just tell me about the reproduction. Yeah, Mohammed or Nabil. يعني كلمة reproduction. Yusuf, just give them a chance.
Reproduction, like that a baby, a new baby.
Yes, bring babies. Yes, excellent. Bring babies.
life cycle.
مش عايزة أعرف اللايف سايكل بس أنا عايزة أعرف يعني إيه reproduction بس إن هو bringing new babies or new offspring. Okay. اسمها offspring أو babies. تمام حلو قوي شاطر. Animals we know they getting babies بس في two ways the animals إن هم they get babies. تعرفهم إيه هي؟ يعني مثلا لو قلت عن الchicken والhorse how they get babies؟ يا نبيل.
Miss, I didn't hear the question.
Again, okay. If I'm just the animals have two ways to get their babies with. Okay. مثلا if I just give you an example about a horse
and egg.
A chicken. نعم.
Birth and
lay eggs.
yes.
Lay eggs صح. طب
Yes.
what about the plants? How they get their babies? ها البيبي بتاع البلانت اساسا اللي هو ايه؟ Do you know? seeds مثلا صح
Yes.
ولا في حاجة
Yes.
فيها تانية؟ Yes. Seeds, yes. Okay, the flower just got out the seeds. Okay, great. So both of them just reproduce. That's mean they are living things, right? Okay. So we talk about movement, we talk about reproduction, right?
Yes.
تمام. Sensitivity. Yusuf, your turn.
Can you repeat the question?
Sensitivity again. You know the movement, and Nabi just said about reproduction. Come on, your turn. Talk to us about sensitivity.
Sensitivity is like when someone touches you, your nervous system feels the touch and stuff.
بس ما حدش بيمسك النيرفس سيستم بتاعنا لان هو inside our body. صح؟
Yeah, but like they touch your skin.
Yes, excellent. They touch our skin. Okay. احنا بنفيل it. Okay. طيب يعني معنى كده sensitivity ليها علاقة بالايه؟ بالfive what?
5 senses.
Yes, 5 senses. Just can you remind me with it?
Feeling, sight,
Yes,
smelling,
sight,
hearing, touching,
hearing, touching. And you said touch to taste.
and taste.
Taste. Okay, thank you. Sensitivity كده. طيب, that's about the animals. How about the plants? How they sense or feel? It's related to the same example you said. You told me about it. You told about the movement.
The sun.
Yes, the sun. هو الsunflowers بتشوف الsun ولا they feel the heat so they turn toward the sunflower?
No, they feel the heat. They don't have
بالظبط
eyes.
كده, they feel the heat, then they turn toward the sun. Okay, so also the plants have a sensation. G, which is represent for the grass. يلا يا محمد, your turn. Muhammad,
Yes.
يلا, your turn. Grass. You know the meaning of grass?
No.
Grow. Grow. يعني ايه grow? Grow from baby to adult.
Yes. Grow.
Yes. So the grass means grow, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the babies grow into
Adult.
adult, either the animals or the
The plants or the humans.
plants.
Miss,
No.
I have to go now because I have training. Thanks for the lesson.
Welcome, dear. Okay. Bye and good luck for your turn.
Goodbye.
Bye. Okay. So it's growing from baby to adult, right?
Yes.
كل حاجة تعمل increasing the size and grow from baby to adults. Either the plant or the animals or the humans. Right?
Yes.
Okay. طيب. بعد JPR تانية صح؟ It's called respiration. يعني ايه respiration? Respiration is different from breathing. عارفين يعني ايه breathing؟ ده breathing. Respiration مش كده. Respiration يعني getting energy from food and oxygen. يعني ايه؟ انا هسألك عادي, هو انت بتبقى مش لما بتبقاش واكل كويس بتبقى مش قادر وتعبان وما عندكش energy or effort to do anything؟ صح؟ تمام. طب حاجة تانية. When you go upstairs quickly, okay, what happened? You stand still بس شوية, getting oxygen, then you go to your classroom. صح? Or go to whatever you are going to. صح?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Respiration is getting energy from food and oxygen. Getting energy from what?
Food and oxygen.
Yes, and both of them do it. Plants and animals. Okay. just getting energy from food and oxygen. Fine. Okay. E, which is excretion. Instead of R, E, excretion. What's the meaning of excretion? Excretion means excrete or get rid of. Get rid of waste. That thing that you don't need it in our body. Okay. يعني هقول لكم على ايه زي الكربون دioxide. Do you need it? عارفين ايه الكربون دioxide ولا مش عارفينه؟ عارفين؟ طب بلاش. عارفين when you breathe in and breathe out?
Yes.
Yes, and what you get out is a cold gas called carbon dioxide, and this is not useful. فاحنا بنطلعه. Okay. فده
Yes.
waste. Okay. فده we excrete it.
When
get
we
it out.
exhale the air.
Yes, excellent. صح. When we exhale the air. حاجة تانية is not what else? The sweat. عارفين يعني ايه sweat?
Sweat.
Sweat. العرق. Okay.
Sweat.
Yes, sweat. You know it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. ايه السوات اللي هو العرق؟ طب احنا it's a waste. We don't need it and extra water. Okay. وبعدين احنا with the sweat it's more in summer than winter. صح؟
Yes,
Yes.
ليه بقى؟
because the sun
Of the sun.
so hot.
لا, not because of the sun. عشان
The
لما
temperature.
السوات ده بيحصل له evaporate بيمشي بيعمل cooling down بيبرد جسمنا. احنا بنحتاج جسمنا يبرد في الشتاء؟
لا.
احنا already بنبقى سقعانين. Yes, but in summer yes. Okay. فبيعمل ايه السوات؟ Just evaporate, okay, from our skin. Why? To cool our body down. Okay. So the sweat is an extra water. يبقى احنا عرفنا الكربون دioxide. Okay. وعرفنا السوات اللي هو بيطلع من السكن. حاجة ثانية urine. عارفين اليورين؟
Yes,
Okay, and also the urine. It's one of the excretion that you don't need it from our body. تمام كده؟
تمام.
تمام. Okay. لا بعد الاكسكريشن في آخر حاجة اللي هي الN اللي هي represent nutrition. Nutrition يعني feeding يعني eating يعني getting nutrients. يعني ايه nutrients؟ يعني
البروتين
yes.
والكربوهيدرات
برافو يا سيف.
والفايبرز
yes.
Fats.
والفاتس
والفيتامينز
Excellent, yes. Okay, so nutrition that gets in these nutrients in our body. Okay. والplants also get it. Okay, تبقى موجود في السويل في nutrients. قبل ما انسى الاكسكريشن في البلانتس. انتوا مش بساعات بتلاقوا على الليف droplets of water. Okay. ده بيبقى ايه؟ An extra water it gets out. Okay. So also there's an excretion for the plants. So the 7 life process or Mrs. Bren, okay, just happen for who? For all the living things, either plants or animals. تمام؟
تمام.
لغاية كده في حد مش فاهم حاجة؟ ال 7 life process أو level of organization. سيف أنت دخلت متأخر فما عرفتش إيه level of organization ده صح؟
صح.
Okay. Again repeat it quickly كده بس. محمد ونبيل فهمتوا ال 7 life process؟
Yes.
طيب يا سيف بص يا سيف ال level of organization ده معناه ان your system or your يعني your body كده ما اتعملش body كده مرة واحدة لا it has a smallest building unit بعد كده the smallest building unit joined together to form another unit بعد كده بيتجمعوا مع بعض.
Teacher they start from cells then make tissue.
Yes.
They start organ then organ system then
organist
organisms.
يس انت عارفهم.
اوكي.
تمام اوكي، هو ده اللي احنا فهمتك وشفنا فيديو كده وبس كده، ما خدناش حاجة تانية.
اوكي.
اوكي طيب ثانية واحدة. I'm gonna just give you an introduction about the digestive system. Okay, we're gonna complete it the next time. Okay. Digestive system is one of the systems زي ما انتم شايفين كده. Okay, one of the systems that we use it in our body. Digestive system, okay, has a huge function in our body. ايه digestive system؟ يعني ايه digestion اساسا؟
Can I teacher?
Can I what?
Can I answer teacher?
Yes, you can.
When we eat food, the food goes to the digestive system, then get digested in.
Okay, so what's the meaning of digestion?
To get out,
breakdown of food.
Breakdown of food and take the elements of it.
هو breakdown of food in the soluble parts. خلاص على كده مش لازم يعني مش we don't have to explain all the details of the digestive system. Okay, هو بس يعني ايه digestion؟ يعني breaking down of food into soluble parts وخلاص على كده safe. Okay. Okay بس ده digestion. محمد النبيل. Okay يبقى ال digestion هنبقى عندنا مثلا for example our meal بتبقى فيها meat ورايس أو باستا وكذا حاجة. Okay we just cut it or use our teeth to cut it into small parts. Okay ال digestion بقى اللي happen in all the rest of your organs ده عشان يخليه very very soluble. Okay وهقول لكم ليه. تمام يبقى يعني ايه digestion؟ يعني breaking down of food into soluble parts. تمام اوكي. اوكي طيب ده ال digestive system. اوكي خلينا نقول بس الاكل هيدخل ازاي. First of all the food gets inside the mouth. Okay and we have a different structures in our mouth which is help in cutting the food. بعدين بيروح في long tube called esophagus. الاسophagus دي tube بس ما بتعملش اي حاجه غير هي توصل للstomach. Yes stomach بتعمل digestion للفود بس مش completely، ما بتعملش completely digestion للفود. بيبدأ بعد كده الفود goes to the small intestine.
small intestine
دي بتعمل حاجة ان هي بتكمل الدايجستشن بتاع الفود بتخليه very soluble. طيب لما هو يبقى very soluble هو احنا بناكل عشان جعانين وبعدين ندخل التويليت وخلاص على كده؟ هو ده فايدة الأكل؟ لا مش هو ده فايدته.
بناخد النيوترينز منه.
يعني انا عارفه ان الميت فيها بروتين، الاورنج فيه فايبرز وفيه فيتامين سي والحاجات دي كلها انا جسمي ازاي يستفاد منها؟ يس الجسم ازاي بيستفاد منها؟ لما السمول intestine بتعمل digestion completely للفود بتخليه very soluble بيروح للبلد، فالبلد اللي هو الدم بيوصله بجسمنا كلنا، عشان كده احنا بنكبر، عشان كده بنستخدمه عشان يبقى عندنا strong bones، عندنا energy، كذا حاجة. اوكي، احنا مش بناكل عشان من باب الاكل وخلاص، لا we need nutrients، عشان كده حتى ما بناكلش اي اكل، بناكل الاكل اللي فيه nutrients كتيره، فيه فايده كتيره. اوكي، زي البروتين، الفيتامينز اللي هم الفروتس اند فيجيتابلز، الكربوهيدرات، كل الحاجات دي اوكي بتبقى مفيده لجسمنا، بتروح عن طريق السمول intestine، عن طريق الوال of the small intestine. and I will show it to you later on next session how to the blood. بعد كده بقى ال undigested food اللي خلاص الفود اللي ملهوش اي لازمه، اوكي احنا خلاص خدنا النيوترينز، خدنا كل حاجه، بيروح لحاجه اسمها large intestine. Yes, and the large intestine turn this undigested food into feces. Okay, ده الحاجه اللي احنا خلاص we not need it, and then stored in the rectum and gets out from our body through the part called anus. تمام. اللارج intestine ليها function جميلة جدا، ان هي بتحول undigested food into pieces، بس في حاجة بتاخد كل الواتر من ال undigested food ده ترجعه لجسمنا، عشان جسمنا بيحتاج water على طول. اوكي. Next time I will explain it in details, show to you a video, another video about the digestive system. Hope you enjoy the lesson واتمنى ان تكونوا فهمتوا. بس قبل ما end the lesson في حد حاجة مش فاهمها، في حاجة في اللي احنا قلناه ده اتلخبط فيها؟ محمد النبيل سيف في حاجة؟ سيف تمام؟
تمام
Okay, dears. Okay. See you next time.
Thank you everyone for our session today. It was a pleasure having you. Hope you enjoyed our session. Please make sure to join our WhatsApp group so you'll be contacted by the coordinator in charge. We'll see you next session, inshallah. Thank you, everyone.
Bye. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Bye, teacher.
Bye.